Welcome to my channel Life at Germany with me Vino. In my earlier videos, you have seen different visa types which is available in order to visit Germany. In today's video, we are specifically going to talk about job seeker visa. What is job seeker visa? When you want to come to Germany, stay in Germany and look for a job, then you need job seeker visa. When you get a job with this job seeker visa, you cannot start your work immediately with this job seeker visa. So it means job seeker visa is applicable only for searching a job in Germany. Germany is one of the most popular country in Europe which is seeking highly qualified employees to work in a well-paid position. So for sure, Germany is one of the best place to look for a job. What are the requirements when you want to apply for job seeker visa? First, check your eligibility. Second, check and fill the application form. Third, collect all the documents which is required for job seeker visa. Third, book an appointment for visa and then submit your application form along with all the required documents to the visa application center. The first one, eligibility. Holding a bachelor or master degree from German university or any other degree certificate from foreign universities, other foreign countries. Next, minimum 5 years of experience in the expected field which you are looking for job. Third, minimum fund that you have to show during your stay in your Germany. Then medical and travel insurance proof. The next point, check and fill the application form. Please see the link below and find the application form for job seeker visa from there, and you can fill the application form from there. And then check list of documents. So what are the list of documents you need to submit along with your application form? You need to prepare those list of documents. Then book an appointment with Visa Application Center. Please see the link in the description given above. Please see the link above where you can find the place to book an appointment for visa. And then go to the Visa Application Center on the appointment date along with your application form and the documents which you prepared, and submit the application form in the Visa Application Center. Now let's see what are the list of documents you need to prepare when you are applying for job seeker visa. Valid passport, then 3 passport size photos based on biometric specification which I shared the link in the description, copy of your passport, then cover letter. In cover letter you need to specify the objective of your visit in Germany, How do you plan to search for your job? All these things you have to mention clearly in the cover letter. In diploma or degree certificate and your previous work experience certificate, your CV, your proof of accommodation during your stay in Germany to look for a job, proof of finance to cover your stay in Germany. For example, you can show the bank statement, the next blocked bank account, or you can get formal obligation letter from a person who is already living in Germany, and if they are willing to sponsor you during your visit in Germany, then you can get this formal obligation letter. Then proof for your personal status, for example birth certificate, if you are already married then marriage certificate, and other personal proof. And then the next thing is proof for health insurance. Once you are prepared with all these list of documents and your application form is also ready, then you can book an appointment to the visa application center. How to book appointment in visa application center, I have mentioned in the link below. Once you booked the appointment, you can go to the visa application center on the appointment date along with your application form and the list of document which you prepared. So go to the visa application center, submit your application form along with your list of documents. Then you are done with your job seeker visa application. Once you received the job seeker visa, you can stay in Germany and look for a job with this job seeker visa. But as I mentioned earlier, it doesn't mean that if you get job immediately, you cannot work with this job seeker visa. You have to convert your job seeker visa into employment visa. So you have to apply for employment visa once you get job in Germany with job seeker visa. So you can work in the specified job along with this visa. I hope you get some information about this job seeker visa. Follow the steps given in this video while applying for job seeker visa. Good luck for your job seeker visa. We will see in next video with other useful information. Until then, bye from Vino. Bye.